In today's video, we will create this type of cinematic logo reveal. Hi, this is Priyanka and you are watching Artifacts with Priyanka. So first of all, open After Effects. Now bring the logo on the timeline and create a pre-composition. Name it logo and hit OK. Now double click on the pre-composition layer. Select the layer and press S and make the logo smaller. Go back to the main composition and reduce the size. Now select the layer, go to the layer and click on the auto trace. Make sure the channel is on alpha mode and hit OK. As you can see, a mask has been created. Now go to the effect panel and search for Saber. It's a free plugin. I will add the download link on the description. You can download it from there. Now click on the customize core and choose the core type to layer mask. Change the glow color. As our logo is red in color, I will also make the glow color red. Now change the start size to 200 and end size to 0. Now click on the stopwatch icon of the start offset value and change the value to 100. Move the playhead little bit and now change the value to 0. Press U to see all the applied keyframes. Move the playhead around 15 frames. Now at this time add a keyframe on the end offset value. Now change the value to 0. Select all the keyframes and press F9. Now go to the graph editor. Select the first 2 points and move the handle. Move a little bit further. That will slow down the speed. Okay, nice. Again go to the effect panel and this time search for radial first blur. Apply it on the logo layer. Change the amount to 85. Now change the center to somewhere around here. Change the standard to the brightest. Now click on this pre-composition and press Ctrl and D. That will duplicate the pre-composition. Delete all the applied effects and now we will add some different effects like tint and glow. Now go to the tint effect and change the black to off-white. For the glow, change the threshold value to 0 and glow radius around 100. Now go to the shape tool and select the ellipse tool. Now create a circle at the one corner of the logo. Shift the anchor point to the center. For that, press Ctrl and double click on this pen behind tool. On the effect panel, search for Gaussian blur. Apply it on the shape layer. Change the blurriness around 110. Now press S. Add a keyframe on the scale value. Change the value to 0. Now move the playhead. Increase the scale until it covers the whole logo. Select the top logo and change the track matte value to alpha matte. Select both keyframes and press F9. This white logo will appear after the outline animation is completed. Right click on the shape layer and rename it mask. Now select both the logo and the mask and press Ctrl D. That will create another copy. Now select the top logo and delete all the applied effects. Now change the position of the mask to the other corner. Select the second logo, that is the white logo. And it will be the final logo. And let's name it outline. Now click the white logo and press T and add a keyframe on the opacity. Move the plate and change the opacity to 0. F9. Now click the final logo and press S. Now add a keyframe on the scale property. Move the playhead and reduce the scale. Select both the keyframes and press F9. Next, go to the graph editor and move both the handle like that. Now go to the text tool and now we will add the text. Make it all cap, change the color to white, and we will use the font Montserrat and align it to the center. We want both the logo and the text exactly at the center. But now the logo is at the center but not the text. So to fix the problem, we will select the final logo and press P and add a keyframe on the position. Press U. Make sure that your scale and position, both keyframes are aligned. That is the starting position, and for the end position we will change the value little bit. Our text will be appear around here. So at this position we will add a fade on effect. Press U, select both the keyframes, press F9 and move the end keyframes. And the animation is ready. If you want to animate any other logo, you can do it very easily. Just click on the logo pre-composition, place your logo and hide the old one or delete it. Now go back to the main composition. Now select the outline, press U, delete the mask and hide the saber effect. Next, go to the layer and auto trace. After that, again unhide the saber effect. And to change the outline color, click on the layer, press F3, go to the saber effect and change the glow color. We will make it green. And that's it. Logo animation will be ready within seconds. Hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.